Hi everyone, welcome to our live room. I'm Shirley. Today, let us talk about the common coating types of color-coated steel. A. Polyester. Polyester, also can called PE for short. PE coating has a good adhesion to materials. Color-coated steel plate is easy to process and form. The price is cheap and the variety is wider. The choice of color and growth is large. Polyester coatings are not ideal for UV resistance and particle resistance of coatings. Therefore, the use of PE coatings still needs to be limited. It is generally used in areas where air pollution is not serious, or products that require multiple molding processes. Applicable industrial. Ordinary industrial plants and warehouse logistics do not include the color-coated steel plants themselves. The requirements for corrosion resistance and anti-aging of color plants are not high. More consideration is practicality and cost-effectiveness of plant construction. B. Silicon modified polyester. Silicon modified polyester, we call it SMP for short. Since the polyester contains a negative group OH, it is easily reacted with the other micromolecule substances. In order to improve the sunlight resistance and polarization of PE, the chromic retention and the heat resistance of the silicon resin are denatured. The denaturation ratio of PE and PE can be between 5% and 50%. SMP provide better durability of the steel color-coated plates, and its corrosion protection period can be as long as 10 to 12 years. Of course, the price is also higher than PE. However, because the adhesion and the process formability of the silicon resin is not ideal, the SMP color-coated plant is not suitable for application requiring multiple molding processes, and is mostly used for building roofs and exterior walls. C. High durable polyester. High durable polyester, we call it HDP for short. For the shortcomings of PE and SMP, Hodel and Baker of Sweden developed a 60 to 18% weathable HDP polyester coating that can achieve PVDF coating in early 2000, and is superior to ordinary silicon modification. The polyester coating has an outdoor weather resistance. The high weathering polyester resin is synthesized by using ammonia containing a cyclohexane structure to achieve flexibility, weather resistance, and cost balance of the resin. And the aromatic-free polyo and polybasic acid are used to reduce the absorption of UV light by the resin to achieve high weather resistance of the coating. UV coatings and hindered amines are added to the coating formulation to improve the weather resistance of the film. High weathering polyester coil coating has been recognized in the market abroad, and the cost performance of this coating is very prominent. Applicable industrial, metallurgical, and power industrial, non-ferrous metal smelters, copper, zinc, aluminum, lead, and so on, are the most challenging areas of use of color plates. Steel plants, power plants, and so on will also produce corrosive media and have high corrosion resistance requirement for the color plates. D. PVC plastic soil. PVC resin has good water resistance and chemical resistance, and is generally coated with a high solid content, and its coating thickness is between 100 and 300 ml. It can provide smooth PVC coating or light emboring treatment as emboring coating. because the PVC coating is thermoplastic resin. It has high film thickness and can provide good protection of steel plate. However, PVC has a weak heat resistance. It was used more in Europe in the early days, and it is currently used less and less because of this relative poor environmental protection. E. Fluorocarbon PVDF. Due to the strong bond injury between the chemical bonds and the chemical bonds of PVDF, the coating has very good corrosion resistance and color retention. It is the most advantageous product in the color coating steel coating for construction industry. The molecular weight is large and the direct bond type structure. So, in addition to a chemical resistance, mechanical properties, ultraviolet resistance and the heat resistance are also prominent. In recent years, fluorine-containing resins, copolyamide with chlorogen flour resin and vinyl ester monomers have been popular in China, and are widely used in exterior walls and metal sheets of buildings. Since the content of easy hydrolyzable vinyl ester monomer and fluorine is about 13% lower than that of PVDF, there is a content gap between the weather resistance and PVDF. The fluorocarbon coating produced by both steel has a PVDF content of not less than 17%. When exposed to water, dewdrops are easily attached to the surface of the color plate, causing corrosion to the coating of the color plate and possibility for the corrosion to the zinc layer or even the steel plates. Okay, that's all for today. If you want to know more, please contact us. See you next time. Bye bye.